Russian Aerospace Forces hope to get first batch of the PAK FA fighter jet by next year. Russia's Aerospace Forces hope to have the first batch of 5th generation PAK FA T-50 jets next year, Aerospace Force Commander Viktor Bondarev told the media on Friday. We will be through with its testing next year. The first 5 planes are priced in the contract, Bondarev said. I believe that next year we will have the 5 planes in question. He added the fighter jet would begin to be batch produced shortly after that. The newest Sukhoi T-50, PAK FA or Prospective Airborne complex of Frontline Aviation, is a stealthy, single-seat, twin-engine jet fighter, and will be the first operational aircraft in Russian service to use stealth technology. It is a multipurpose fighter designed for the air superiority and attack roles. The fighter is planned to have super cruise, stealth, super-maneuverability and advanced avionics to overcome the prior generation of fighter aircraft as well as ground and maritime defenses. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.